Okay, I'm Keith Aldrich. I'm the pyrotech in charge of tonight's fireworks shoot. I believe this is about the 6th or 7th year we've done fireworks for Hop Festival. I've been doing fireworks for about 30 years for the community here. Tonight's show will be probably about 10-15 minutes long. For the size of the show, we do the best we can. The finale will be something to look forward to, and we're going to put on a good show for the community, and hopefully everybody's going to enjoy it tonight.